So this braid crown was actually not my idea. This is a little more bohemian than what I typically go for, but someone sent me a message and asked if I would try it. And I really like getting out of my comfort zone and trying new things, so I decided to give it a shot. All right, so I started by parting my hair down the middle. Once I had kind of a base part, I then take braiding gel and line the part with braiding gel and then go in and part it more precisely. The gel helps keep everything in place. Then once I have my part where I want it, I section off one side, use braiding gel to really slick down and smooth the other side. Then I grab my Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Shaping Cream and really smooth that side down. Before I pull this side into a low ponytail, I'm going to use braiding gel along the edges to add some little swoops, like some baby hair scalloped edges. And then I will pull everything into a low ponytail and do the same thing on the other side. So I end up with 2 low pigtails. All right, now I'm going to grab my braiding hair. I'm using Slay braiding hair in the color Cocoa. I love Slay. It's black owned. It is so silky and smooth. It's just really, really pretty hair. I'm going to grab one bundle. I'm going to take an elastic. And at the half point, I'm going to make, I call it an elastic taco, around the braiding hair. And pull one loop through the other one so that the elastic is attached to the hair. Okay, now I'm going to take braiding gel and comb it through my hair before I attach the braiding hair so that when I do that braid, my hair sticks to it and is not sticking out. Okay, so I'm going to use the elastic to attach the braiding hair to one of the ponytails, and then I'm going to start braiding. I braid all the way down. I did that on both sides. Now here's where I ran into a little bit of trouble. I need the braids to go all the way around my head for it to give that crown halo effect. And these are too short. So I had to unbraid to the midpoint and add some hair in and then re-braid it so that the braids were much longer. And now the new length was perfect. Now, starting with one side, wrap the braid around my head, then take that tail and wrap it around the base of itself, of its own ponytail. Okay, and I did secure that then with one pin. Then I did the same thing on the other side and secured that with a pin. And there she is. So I will say, I definitely think this is a cute style. I love the inspo photo. I don't love it for me so much. It's a little more bohemian than what I typically go for, but listen, it's protective, it's comfortable, it's chic. It's giving very much garden wedding, like I'm a guest at a garden wedding. I could do that.